Okay, so now that the ad's over, so now we can play the Fidget Cube. We can mess around with this little switch. And we can mess around with this little knob over here. We can mess around with this ball. Down here, spin this little dial. Spam the buttons. And there's nothing else. Cover room, another ad.
Now I'm shaking, drinking.
Okay, now that ad's over. Now we can just... We're just removing covers. Okay, this isn't... That wasn't that thing. Tissue roll. Okay, it was a mean clad. Weird. Button satisfying piano slime simulator.
We got him! We got him!
Alright. Now let's put this on. Blue sign. Right, how about we play just with slime? Like, not only poking it. Oh. Alright. Ooh, wobble. And all the other ones you have to watch an ad for. Okay, let's get off this one because that one's weird. Now we have this one. Play. Whoa. It's like when ants see a crumb and they want that crumb. And they just all swarm around it. What the heck? This is so weird. Whoa. It's just like a black hole. There's a black hole right there. It's loading up its energy. It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. It's just like a giant... Oh, that's so cool. Like, if you, like, disturb the line, it just blasts. It makes this really cool line. That is amazing. And we can just, like, do this. And it looks like you're like, stitching something up. That is so cool. And it will, like, change colors if you flip your screen. No. What happened? Oh, yeah, green. I'll make a circle, see what happens. Let's see what you did. I'm stitching. Oh, my ball's exploding. Oh. Whoa, that is amazing. It's gonna blast. Woo! Okay, yeah. That game. Amazing. Next game. Here's another fidget toy one. Ooh. This seems a little bit better than the other one. Let's play with the peas. Is that. And not an ad every time I try to do something. That's amazing. Wow. This is so well made. Straws. How do I mess with them? Okay. Okay. Coming soon. Okay, this is kind of bad because it only has like a little bit of fidgets. But let's play squishy toys. So you choose a squishy. You press this button. And then you color it. Is it one of those games where you like color the squishy and then you squish it? And you can send it to people? Okay. Oh wow! Is it slow rising though? That's a sad thing. I'm gonna edit him. Make him yellow. Make the pot yellow. And the top of him green. And give him a bright green eye. Let's play this squishy. Alright. Alright, okay, this is bad because like, you can barely even color this squishy. It isn't really slow rising. Like when you squish it, it's really like look at that! What the heck is happening? Yeah, this app is bad. The best app we probably played was probably this one though. Because they just I don't know what they did, but it's amazing. It's such a app and you can just find new ways to play with it. It's basically like a fidget toy, but just on your phone. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to like, sub, hit my bell, everything like that. But that doesn't matter if you don't want to. You don't have to. Alright, well, stay safe. Wash your hands. Be a good kid. Stuff, yeah, bye.